guys, as we are solving paper November 2024 IBL P1, two questions I have already solved. Now it's time to solve question number 3, which states that prove that 3n plus 2 whole square minus 3n minus 2 whole square is a multiple of 12 for all n belongs to Z plus. So let's solve 3n plus 2 square minus 3n minus 2 whole square. 9n square plus 4 plus 2 into 3n into 2 minus 9n square plus 4 minus 2 3n into 2 9n square plus 4 plus 12n minus 9n square plus 4 minus 12n. Now opening the brackets, when there is minus sign outside the bracket, then when the brackets are open, the signs of the terms are inverted. This cancel this one, 4 and 4 cancel, the terms left we have 24n. As we can see that 24n can also be written as 12 into 2n. So we can say that the given equation 3n plus 2 square minus 3n minus 2 whole square is a multiple of 12 for all n. There is another method for solving this. So we can write this method 1. Now also solve it through method 2. According to method 2, we use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So from above equation, we take a as 3n plus 2 and b as 3n minus 2. Now putting the values in the above equation, 3n plus 2 plus 3n minus 2. into 3n plus 2 minus 3n minus 2. n plus 2 plus 3n minus 2. When there is a positive sign outside the bracket, the sign, when the brackets are open, then the sign remains the same. And when there is negative sign outside the brackets, then when we open the bracket, the sign of the inner terms are changed. Now solving the equation, here we left 6n and here we left 4, which turns is equal to 24n. 24n, it's also multiple of 12, can also be written as 12n plus n, or 12 into 2n, similarly. So it is proved that given equation 3n plus 2 minus 3n minus 2 is multiple of 12 for all n belongs to 0. Ta-da!